One of the scariest legal dilemmas occurs if one law protects an action, yet another law criminalizes it. How is a court to evaluate such a circumstance? The United States Supreme Court considered just such a dilemma in Gonzales versus o Centro Espirita Beneficente Uniao do Vegetal. The Controlled Substance Act, or CSA, regulates the importation, manufacture, distribution, and use of psychotropic substances. The most dangerous substances are listed in Schedule 1, and the Act prohibits their importation and use except in strictly regulated research projects. The Religious Freedom Restoration Act, or RFRA, prohibits the federal government from burdening the exercise of religion, even if the burden results from a rule of general applicability. The government may only burden the exercise of religion to satisfy a compelling need. The government must show that the restriction furthers a compelling governmental interest and that it's the least restrictive means of furthering that interest. O Centro Espirita Beneficente Uniao do Vegetal, a Brazilian Christian spiritual sect with an American congregation of about 130 members, celebrated communion by drinking huasca, a tea made from 2 Brazilian plants. One of those plants contained a Schedule 1 hallucinogen. Customs officials seized a shipment of huasca meant for the American congregation and threatened prosecution. The congregation sued the United States Attorney General in federal court, seeking an injunction allowing the congregation to receive and consume huasca and enjoining the government from enforcing the CSA. After a hearing, the district court ruled that the government's evidence regarding the dangers of huasca and the congregation's evidence regarding its history of safely using huasca were balanced, or as the court described it, in equipoise. Therefore, the government hadn't established a compelling need to enforce the CSA regarding huasca. The court granted the injunction. A 10th Circuit panel affirmed, as did the 10th Circuit sitting en banc. The Supreme Court granted cert.